Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the incredible world of Zoho Project and how you can harness its power to enhance your customer loyalty programs. Starting off, we need to set up a new project specifically for your loyalty program. This helps us because it ensures we have a dedicated space to manage and track all the components of the program. Once you've logged into your Zoho account, navigate to Projects, click New Project, and name it something that indicates its purpose. For example, Customer Loyalty Program 2025. Now that we've done that, our next step is to create tasks for each loyalty program activity. This could include creating a new customer reward, tracking customer points, scheduling promotional emails. The reason we do this is to break down your loyalty program into manageable pieces, making it easier to delegate, track, and complete each task efficiently. The third step is to set up automation rules. In Zoho, automation rules can help streamline repetitive tasks, such as sending reward emails or updating customer points. To do this, navigate to Automation and create rules that match your needs. This saves us time and ensures consistency in your loyalty program. Next up, we're going to use Zoho's reporting feature. This allows us to generate detailed reports about the loyalty program. We can track task progress, time spent, and even the cost of the program. By regularly reviewing these reports, you can identify areas of improvement and make data-driven decisions to enhance your loyalty program. Finally, let's talk about integration. Zoho Project can be integrated with other Zoho apps like Zoho CRM. This helps us because it provides a cohesive platform where you can manage not only your loyalty program, but also your overall customer relationship activities. To do this, navigate to Integrations and follow the prompts to connect your desired Zoho applications. In conclusion, Zoho Project is a powerful tool that can greatly enhance your customer loyalty programs. By setting up a dedicated project, creating tasks, automating processes, analyzing reports, and utilizing integration, you can streamline your program and foster stronger customer relationships. And that's it for today's guide. Remember, customer loyalty is the key to business success. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.